The Detroit Speed aluminum core support closeout panel is a nice simple way to cover up the factory core support in the hood latch bracket. It also helps direct airflow through the radiator. Now this panel is made right here at Detroit Speed in the USA and comes as a raw finish so that you can paint or powder coat to your preference. It also works well with the Detroit Speed fender brace kits installed on this 1968 Camaro. Remove the rubber caps from the adjustable hood bumpers. Remove the two front hood latch bolts that support the latch to the front header panel. These will be reinstalled in a later step. Remove the forwardmost fender bolt on each side of the core support. This will be used as a reattachment point for the core support closeout. Detroit Speed recommends using the DSE fender brace kit with the core support closeout. When installing, angle the front of the closeout under the front hood extension while lowering the core support closeout into position. Mount the front center of the closeout using the two hood latch bolts that were removed along with the front two fender bolts. To complete the installation, replace the rubber bumpers on the hood stops. Thanks for watching this video. My name is Dan Otte. If you have any questions, please call us at 704-662-3272 or send us an email at tech@detroitspeed.com. Don't forget to like and follow us on social media. We'll see you next time.